told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel where I show you how you can make money online. Right off the bat, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily pass TranscribeMe test and start earning money transcribing. So the first thing to do, you open your search engine or your browser and you search for TranscribeMe. transcribe me, yeah, search for TranscribeMe. Then you want to open an account, you just come here direct to register an account. This one, register an account. Since you want to register a new account, so this page will load, will appear. Then you're supposed to input your personal information on these boxes, on this field. First name Nairobi, then English, okay, I'm a male, unemployed, I'm a freelancer. You can put any here. Transcription language, let's see, okay, this one is optional. Skype is optional, also phone number is optional, you don't have to input those. Then how did you hear about us? You just put, you can put by Google, friends, okay, like so. Then you have to click by signing up for TranscribeMe. You agree to our terms of service and privacy policy, so you have to check that checkbox. Okay, so create account. So and we've sent a verification email to that email. Please click the email. You then go to your email and you have to open your email so that you can click that link that has been sent to you. Okay, so this one, okay, this one is a new email, so you click it and you click this one. Are we together? Okay, so after you click that link that has been sent to you after your registration, you'll be directed to this page, and here you can see you have an English entrance exam. Okay, you have to do, I think, three tests, as you can see here. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Let's go to the exam. So just click here, entrance exam. Okay, all of TranscribeMe resource and training material are entirely free and can be downloaded from this page. TranscribeMe and its employee will never ask you to pay any cost to train or work for us. You can contact our admin team at training@transcribeme.com or use the purple beacon at the bottom right of your screen if you have any question. They mean this one. Okay, so The first thing you need to do is to find the guideline, the general guidelines. So let's find the guideline. So you have this TranscribeMe style guide version 3.1 2020. So you have to download that. Okay, then we have this EE instructions. You also have to download that because this one will help you in passing your test. If you don't download this and read this carefully, you won't be able to pass the test. Okay, so let I'm waiting for the download to complete. Okay, I can. So you open them. Just go ahead and open the style guide. Okay, we have this one. Okay, so the most important one is the style guide, which will help you in your exam. So you come here and you put there here. Yes, you click this one. Please tick this box here once complete. Okay, you click here. So you have an option to attempt the exam. Okay, but you have first to read these guidelines. Okay, you have to read all these guidelines: style guide, accuracy, difficult audio, what you're supposed to do. Okay, spelling and formatting, spacing, one space between sentences, change of speakers, new lines. Okay, paragraphing, specific spelling. Okay, you have to read all these. Clean verbatim, filler words. Okay, so let's continue. You come here to this attempt the exam. You click attempt the exam. Okay, so please be sure to reference our latest edition of the style guide. This one, the one that we have open. Okay, you must complete 3 multiple choice questions in this section pertaining to the TranscribeMe clean verbatim style. You must get each question correct to pass the section. If you do not pass the section, you will be redirected to the exam result page where you will have access to one retry. Okay, so if you fail, you will have one more retry. You can try again one more time. Okay, note that the question will appear in random order. Each time you take this section and you may not get the same question in subsequent retrials or attempts. Part of this exam is being able to follow direction. Formatting your answer incorrectly may result in a failed attempt. For this multiple choice question, write your answer as A, B, or C with a capital letter and no space or punctuation after. Okay, so don't put any punctuation or space, and it has to be a capital letter. Don't put a small a or a small b, small c, no, capital letter. Okay, example B. Okay, crunch words, informal speech. A speaker says, you know, we are gonna have to talk about this later. Which of the following is the correct way to transcribe this according to our clean verbatim style guide? All right, so they are talking about the crunch words. So you can come here and you can just type that word, crunch, no, crunch word, this one. Okay, said, I'm just going direct to, okay, let me read for you. A crunch word is an utterance, often a verbal tick that adds no meaning to what is said. At TranscribeMe, we only remove the crunch words like and you know when they are inessential to the sentence. All other crunch words should be transcribed. Said, you know, I mean, if the speaker like says this, okay, we kinda want to like make it, you know, sort of readable, right? Type, I mean, if the speaker says this, okay, we kind of want to make it sort of readable, right? So these crunch words are this one in red, you know, like, you know, and like. Okay, so let's go to our exam and see. So you know, you have to remove this one, you know, yeah, only that one, I think so, only that one. Okay, those informal speech, let's go because of this one of the gonna. Let's find the informal, about the informal speech. Informal speech, this one. People often speak in ways that do not conform to formal writing conventions. This section will outline how to handle common transcription situations that aren't addressed by standard grammar rules. Okay. Include conjunction and interjection at the beginning, middle, or end of the sentence as spoken. If a speaker finishes their thoughts with or so, or but, we offset it with a comma. Okay. All right. Let's continue. That's a share. Okay. Contraction. So yeah, this one gonna. So that's an informal. So if a speaker says gonna, you have to change that gonna to going to, gotta to got to, wanna to want to, kinda to kind of, sorta to sort of, coulda to could have, cause because, going, yeah, you, okay, gotcha, okay, you all ain't, okay, all those you have to change them. So already I know the answer. You're not supposed to write this one. So answer A is wrong. Okay, answer 2, answer 3, you're not supposed to write this one because this one is a crunch word and this one is a informal speech or a slug. Okay, so the answer is B. the correct answer is B, and it has to be capital B, no space and no punctuation. Don't put a full stop or what, since if you do that you will fail. So you just press next. Okay, let's continue. Question 2, contraction and crunch words. Okay, a speaker says, you could have finished your project if you hadn't gone to play at your friend's house. So this one, I think you just remove this one. Okay, which of the following, okay, according to contraction, I don't think you are supposed to expand the contraction. Transcribe this one, transcribe contraction as spoken. If a speaker says they are, transcribe they are, not they are. Okay, don't expand the contraction. So in this case, you're not supposed to expand what, this one, hadn't and could have, this one. Okay, and you're supposed to remove because it's a crunch word. So A is wrong because it has included B is also wrong because they have expanded could have. You see, could have. Okay. All right. So the correct answer is C. All right. So capital C, and you click continue. The third question. Okay, a speaker says, okay, I like to check my email a lot. All right, that's not a crime. So, they are testing you for this word, okay and all right. So you come to the guidelines and you find how you're supposed to write okay and all right. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, or let me just write this. Okay, okay. Okay, you are supposed to spell okay with O-K-A-Y. All right, yeah. Then let's find all right. So you are not supposed, no, you are not supposed to write this one. You are supposed to write all right, and okay is okay, not this one. Okay, so come here. So the first one is wrong. The part C is also wrong because of this one. All right, so the correct answer is B. The correct spelling of okay and all right, and you click next. You have finished section sub sentences. Okay, now let's continue. Now this one is another section. Okay, spelling and formatting. How should you indicate a change of speaker in a file? Okay, enter A, B or C in the box. All right, how should you indicate change of speaker in a file? So come back to your guidelines and just type speaker speaker change. Okay, let me see. Yes, speaker. Let me see how spelling and formatting. Okay, let me search for that, spelling and formatting. Spelling and formatting. Yeah, this one, spelling and formatting. Okay, it's very simple. You just to in this exam, this one, you see this spelling and formatting, just type that one in the search bar and it will bring you to the spelling and formatting. And this one tells you how you are supposed to change of speaker in new line. To indicate a change of speaker, simply create a new line in the transcript by pressing enter or return once. Pressing enter twice is also fine but unnecessary. It will look like this. Speaker identification is not added at the transcription phase. Hi, I'm Don. You just press enter once. Okay. Hi, I'm Jill and my name is Dave. Welcome to our podcast. Okay. So you are supposed to just enter once. Let's come back to our okay to our guidance. Create a new line and indicate either S1, S2 and S3 depending on the order the speaker spoke in the file. I didn't see anything like that. Create a new line and include the speaker's name if you know it. If not, name the speaker name with male or female. I also didn't see that. Hit enter once to create new line. Exactly this one, C. So C is the correct answer. All right. Okay, let's go. Which of the following is approved spelling in TranscribeMe? Clean verbatim. Okay. All right, this one is wrong as you saw earlier. All right. Gonna is also wrong. You're supposed to expand this one to going to and this one to all right. What about email and gotcha? Okay, let's go to spelling and informal. Informal. Informal speech. Okay, so gotcha, you can write gotcha. All right, you can write gotcha. Let me see if you can write email. So you are not supposed to write email with a hyphen. You see, you are not supposed to write email with an hyphen. So you are not supposed to write email with an hyphen with that dash. So the correct answer is C. Gotcha. As you can see here. Where? Okay, I don't know if you saw that, but it's there. See, if you are following, you saw that. If you are following me, of course you saw. This one is wrong. This one is all right is wrong. Email with a dash is wrong. And gonna, you're supposed to expand that to going through. All right. C is the correct answer. So let's go to which of the following option uses the guest tag correctly. Okay, guest tag. So you can come here and write tag. Alright, those are the tags, and I want the guess tag. Okay, the guess tag, that this one is inaudible, crosstalk, foreign, guess tag, this one guess tag. Okay, so if you're not sure what is said but you can make a reasonable guess that fits the content, put your guess followed by a question mark into bracket. Okay, your guess, then a question mark. Unlike the other tags, the guess tag is formatted capitalized or not. Okay, capitalized or not, okay, to reflect your guess. The text within the tag can comprise a single word like this, or it may be short phrase, something like this. The full guess goes into one tag. Okay, she vacationed in Mongolia, then and Siberia for spring break last year. Okay, all right. He gave away 3 free. You're not supposed to do this one. You can just do either this one or this one, either free or 3, right? So I think I know what they mean. Okay, the first one, this one, I don't think that one is correct. That one is wrong. This one can be correct. No, there are no question mark inside, so it's wrong. We don't have question marks in B, so that's wrong. And okay, I can see the correct answer is C. This one is wrong because you're not supposed to write two names. You can just combine them into one guess tag. Right? So the correct answer is C. Okay, let's continue. Which TranscribeMe tag should you use if you are unable to make out a word or a phrase due to a difficult accent, poor audio, or an okay. Please type the tag in the box formatted as per our style and with no punctuation. Okay, that one they want you to put the inaudible tag, this one. Alright, so it's very simple. You just come here and type inaudible. Right, now okay, it's not capital, small letter, inaudible. Inaudible. Let me confirm the spelling. Inaudible. Inaudible. I. Okay. Inaudible. You can also do that. Inaudible. Okay. I think it's correct now. And you right click that. This one is crosstalk because not understand because another main speaker was talking over them. This one is crosstalk. Crosstalk, you can confirm the spelling. This one crosstalk. So it's crosstalk. Correct. It's correct. Is the below statement true or false? Type true or false in the box below. In TranscribeMe clean verbatim, you should edit the transcript to ensure the file is grammatically correct, even if the speaker didn't say it that way. That one is false. You are only supposed to write what the speaker says. You are not supposed to write what the speaker didn't say. So that one is false. Okay, in clean verbatim, the words wanna and gonna should be transcribed as want to and going to. That is true. You are supposed to expand the slug word or the informal words. Okay, you should always transcribe brand names with the capitalization of the first letter to keep your file consistent, even if your research shows that the name is officially formatted a different way. No, you are supposed to research the capitalization and write the correct capitalization. You don't have to go with the consistency. You have to research. If you research a word and it's in small letter, write it in small letter. If it's capitalized, write it in capital. So this one is false. All right, let's continue. In TranscribeMe clean verbatim, if a speaker says you are, we expand that contraction to you are. That is wrong. You're not supposed to expand the contraction. It's very, very clear in the guidelines about the contraction. If you just search here contraction and you just press enter, this one, you're not supposed to expand the contraction. Just write as they are. Okay, so this one is false. It's not true. Okay, these questions are very easy. As you can see, if you follow the guideline, you just need to open the guideline and you can just search. You can just search what you need. It is fine to copy text from Word or from a website and paste it directly into the work hub. Now, note very clearly, if you really want to pass TranscribeMe test, especially the audio part, don't go and copy paste another person's words or what he or she has transcribed. Don't copy paste. If you do so, they are able to detect that you have copy pasted your work and your account will be deactivated automatically. Even if you got a pass, it will be deactivated automatically. So this is very, very, very important. You have to type every word by yourself. Don't copy paste. If you copy paste, your account will be deactivated. I don't know how they know you have copy pasted, but they just know. Yeah, I have tried so many times, and each and every time I copy paste, I fail the exam. But when I typed everything, I passed the test. So that's one critical thing you have to put in your head. Okay, you have to know that. Don't copy paste. I think I've emphasized that enough. So this one, of course, is false. You are not supposed to copy paste. Okay. I think currently they don't have section style guide question. Please wait. Exam is not available at the moment. Okay, so I will wait when I think it's the audio part. When they upload the audio part, I'll be able to do the audio part, and I hope I'll help you. I'm going to type word for word, no copy pasting. So you also have to do the same. Don't ask me for the transcript so that you can just copy paste. No, you have to type word for word. Hope you have understood my tutorial. Thank you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. You can also pass it to your friends so that if they are interested, they can register on TranscribeMe and they can start earning money. Thank you and have a good day.
As you fade away, as you fade away.